Everyone keeps saying taste is the most important skill in AI right now. But the way it's being talked about, it almost makes it sound like the job is done once you generate something. But in the world of professional publishing, finished and good are miles apart. Hi, I'm Dawn. Welcome back to Blossom & Stitch Studio. If you're trying to build a brand like pickles, something that actually lasts, you have to realize that AI doesn't have taste. It has statistics. It gives you the most likely answer. And the most likely answer is usually the safest one. The part that's changing isn't just how fast we can create, it's what we do after the AI is done. You can see it even in the children's book space. Books that are structured correctly, but they're hollow. They have the right number of pages. The rhyme technically works, but they don't feel like anyone decided anything. They feel like something that was generated, not decided. When people say taste is the edge, they make it sound like some abstract creative gift. It's not. Taste is actually very practical. Taste is the ability to say no. Let me give you a real example where taste meets the messy reality of production. My biggest issue right now isn't getting an image, it's keeping my characters consistent. Even with a detailed character sheet that I've reworked numerous times, the AI loves to drift. I'm working on my pup couture camp right now, and one morning I'll get pickles perfectly. Then, by the evening, it's like the AI had a little too much to drink during the day. The saturation drifts, or suddenly Pickles looks like a completely different dog. This is where most people stop. They think, well, this is what it gave me, so this is what it is now. But as a director, that's where my standard comes in. I don't accept what it gives me. I correct it until it matches the standard. If the colors are off, or the tone shifts, or if it doesn't feel right, I don't use it. Or I tweak it a million times in Canva until I get it right. That's the job. Your taste is the anchor that keeps the project from drifting into something generic. Because it's so easy to generate something, people have stopped editing. They've stopped refining. If there's no one in the room making hard cuts, saying this isn't good enough, or doesn't belong, everything starts to look the same. AI can help you create faster, but cannot replace your judgment. It doesn't know what's worth keeping. It doesn't know what actually works. That part is still yours. So if you're using AI right now, don't just focus on what you can generate. Start paying attention to what you're choosing. Look at what you're cutting. Look at where you're refining. Your edge isn't your prompt. Your edge is your standard. It's the gap between what the machine gave you and what you're willing to put your name on. That's the difference between something that's just made and something that's actually good. Until next time.